Is artificial intelligence one of the answers to the teacher shortage plaguing some schools?
Sexual harassment law takes effect today. Stakeholders eager to see the benefits.
And man pleads guilty to murdering woman in Trelawney Church. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Andrea Chisholm is here.
Thank you very much, Janella. Well, we're going to tell you what the Bank of Jamaica has to say about deposit-taking institutions rather, and their interest rates. More on that in the Business Day.
Thank you, Andrea. And Jordan Fort is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, Archie, Reggae Boys fans are feeling good, and so is the head coach, who had high praises for his team after a 5-star performance over their Caribbean neighbours in the CONCACAF Gold Cup yesterday. I'll tell you all the details in Primetime Sports Monday.
Yeah, but how will they do against the USA? I'm just saying. And Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. Afternoon thunderstorms are the story this week. We're expecting thunderstorms across most of the island for much of this week, especially on Wednesday when a tropical wave moves into the region.
Thunderstorms and heat, heat and more heat. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
What are we asking, Archie?
We are asking, what are your expectations now that the Sexual Harassment Act is in effect?
You can share your comments, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.